if we can. We're so close, guys. But no, I'm dead serious. Like, I love it. And now we put some berries on top. We just sprinkle some berries on top. You guys can't even see my pancakes. I'm sad.
Don't mind if you last tonight. I'll regret it for the rest of the time. Let your hips and your lips and your fingertips slip against the city streets. Sleeping in on my thing, get high on you, the west side highway.
I didn't want to do that. I was scared they were going to get lost. Look how pretty it is if I put them on top, though. Don't they look way better when they're on top, though? What state are you guys in? I'm in Florida. They look better. They look better if I put the berries on top. Because look how pretty.
With your swim top still wet.
What the fuck?
You hate the smell of real smoke, so why'd you always keep me so cold?
No, who lied to me? These better be better. I put vanilla in there. I put a lot of sugar. What the fuck is going on with my batter? It's not sweet. I hope my son likes it, but I don't that much. Like, where the hell is the flavor? I don't really say where I'm from in Florida, my love. But I am in Florida. I don't say where though. For obvious reasons. Where's my fork? Oh. Okay, hold on. You guys want to be right here?
Winter is better when you're prepared. Experience.
Is this a better angle, or do you guys like the angle from like right here?
And help lower your bills. Get started with the Experian app today. Your big financial friends helping you stay cozy and in control.
Bubbles are popping.
Those are subscriptions eligible. Savings not guaranteed. $631 a year. Average savings with 1+ negotiations and 1+ cancellations. Paid membership with connected payment account required. See Experian.
Thank you for following.
From breaking news to break up news, Amazon Music has a podcast for every mood with millions of